Yeah, welcome back. Foodie Nourishment welcomes you. Like we said, we will start now with the dough. This is the easiest and the fastest. The dough needs a little bit of resting time in the fridge. The reason we're preparing it first. And then we'll go to the toppings. I have already my machine prepared and the ingredients which we need. Flour and the baking powder already mixed up. Sugar. For the sugar you can choose alternatives. Sweetener like stevia, for example. Then we have eggs and room temperature butter. Place all together in one bowl in the machine and switch it on. Well, the dough is mixed. We packed it in foil. We will place it inside the fridge for resting. To speed up the process, I prepared in the morning already one, so we can directly continue. Not needed. So the consistency, it's quite sticky. It's not feeling like a bread dough or German bake rolls dough, of course, because this one is based more or less on butter. Yeah, this one comes now on the blech, and from there we will form it inside the form we want to have. My blech had 33 to 38 centimeters. Too small for this and this, so I cannot roll out like I want to have it. I have to use a glass. Let's use a little bit flour around the glass so we can quasi avoid the sticking from the dough on it. Finito. This is how it looks like. All sides. Now we can make the toppings. We're working on two different stations in the same time. So one is the apricot marmalade. You can completely decide by yourself if you want to use apricot, cherry, plum, whatever is your favorite marmalade. We need 4 eating spoons out of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5. Put it on side. Spread it completely around. I had before a few weeks I had one blech with mixed marmalade. It was like 2 eating spoons or soup spoons of apricot marmalade and 2 eating spoons of plum marmalade, and was just mixing it completely around. It was unbelievably tasty. So you can even play around with the tastes a little bit. So this one is prepared. Put it on side. Not needed. So now we are starting our plate. We go to low temperatures. We're melting our butter. When the butter is melting, We need to crush hazelnuts, around 200 grams. When the butter is melted down, we will add the sugar. This is fruit sugar together with vanilla sugar mixed. The fruit sugar, or fructose, is actually, it's 1 by 1 mixed. So 1 spoon of sugar is 1 spoon of fruit sugar, fructose. Is by far not that sweet like the refined sugar, but it's for me a much more healthier alternative solution. It starts, so we can mix the sugar inside, and 4 soup spoons of water. 1, 2, 3, 4 on side. We have to stir constant until the sugar is gone. When this has happened, we will add our hazelnuts, all 400 grams. Let's wait a little bit. Butter is melted, hazelnuts. Here you can see it's more like a zero. So the butter is really combined with the fruit sugar and the vanilla sugar. Due to this that I reduced it on a low heat, I don't have this ugly foam on top like you have when you have this with higher temperatures. So we will place now all the hazelnuts inside and stir it up until it's good mixed. I switched the oven and over an underheat, so without ventilator, to 175 degrees, and there we will place it inside. This looks, oh, I wish you could smell this. A very nice tip is as well, let it, if you like, if you don't like actually hazelnuts, you can exchange the hazelnuts with walnuts, with almonds, macadamia, peanuts, what you prefer. It's all on you. So let's see, this looks good. Now we will bring the beauty together. So, you can see this? It's really like paste. This is what we want to have. If you wait too long, the butter will get stiff. So put it on. Drip it where you can. Zit. Try to get so much as possible out of the pot. We don't want to waste. And inside. And then bring it around on your blade. Bring it to the corners. See? Same thickness everywhere around. I could eat it already, but it's not finished. So German Nussecken, nut corners, mostly served through Christmas time, and is always working with a cup of tea, a hot cup of chocolate, or good coffee. I prefer it due to the nuts. It's for me like an energy bar. You have the fast sugar and the good stuff and the oils from the nuts. And when I'm with the bike out or when I'm going to the mountains for a hike, this is a wonderful power bar alternative solution. And in the end, it's cheaper is to buy them all the time. Tack. Put it on side. 25 minutes in the oven. Then you need a short cool down phase. Really short, because you have to cut them so long they're soft that you can separate them. Originally in triangles, we will make them A side 8 cm, B side 8 cm, makes it C side from 11.5. Let's enjoy. This is how it looks like. 2 minutes resting time, and then we can start to cut. I already prepared a knife with, I hope you can see it, the water dropping from it, that the caramelization from the sugar and from the butter is not sticking on the knife, and we have a very nice cutting. I will already start to measure. So, cut is done. What we can do now is to cool it completely down, enjoy it like it is, or we're just waiting 10 minutes and then we can place melted chocolate on top. And then it goes in the fridge or on the balcony, or you just let it stay to cool more down until the chocolate is hard, and then you can enjoy it to a cup of coffee or tea. The chocolate is coming. Let it just drizzle. Make the mustard how you wish to have it. You don't need to be accurate, just how you like it. Milk chocolate, dark chocolate, sweet chocolate, marzipan chocolate, coffee chocolate, chili chocolate, everything goes. So this kind of drizzle from the chocolate is not overthrown the taste of the nut corner itself. Traditionally, the nut corner is getting dipped inside. We will make it with one that you can see it. Just taking the corner, dipping it in, and you have it partially. And by this way, I have to take the camera, man. There you go. This was the short testing. Tomorrow, actually, we have a big amount testing. We produced 160 pieces. We have a team building. We're going up in mountains here in Macedonia, and yeah, some of our friends and colleagues, they will have the possibility to test one of these. I hope they will like it. Watch it. We will post it, of course. Make a thumb up. Subscribe if you want, and enjoy our food just by watching or by cooking. See you later. Ciao. It's mine. Food is nourishment, better food, better mood. No elevation too hard, no way too long. Engines powered by German Nussecken.